Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how you can buy or sell stocks on the GEPL Pro Market app. Here on the main screen I have added a market watch in which you can see a number of stocks. So if you want to buy any stock, you can simply on the stock and you'll see a buy or a sell button. If you want to buy or sell some another stock which is not in your market watch, you can click on the search box and you can type the name of the stock. For example, I am taking Reliance over here, and you click on it, you will be able to view this page where you have the option of buy and sell. So for buying, you'll simply click on the buy button. You can see the quantity, the price at which you want to buy, and then you can place your order. Now in both the cases, you can see we have product, price type and validity, which we'll have to understand. In product, we have CNC, which stands for cash and carry, NRML, MIS, which stands for margin intraday square off, and CO, that stands for cover order. Cover order facility we are not giving right now, so I'll come back to these three products. CNC and NRML basically indicate that you have the whole funds to take the delivery of the stock. Then next one is MIS, which is standing for margin intraday square off. It means you're taking the stock, buying the stock for only a particular day. You're buying it in the morning and then selling it off before the market closes. And if you buy any stock in MIS product and you fail to sell it off before 3:20, the system automatically squares off the position as you've bought it in MIS product. Then comes the price type. We have four types of price type: limit, market, SL, which stands for stop loss, and the fourth is stop loss market. Limit order basically means that you are buying a stock at a limit price. For example, the price is 1273.70 right now, but I am wishing to buy the stock only at 1270. So this is my limit at which I am placing the order. Second is the market order, which means I am ready to buy the stock at whatever the rate is prevailing right now. Third is the stop loss order, which basically means to buy or sell a stock only when it reaches a particular price. Stop loss market is also similar to the stop loss. The example for this will be given in the selling order. Now we come to the validity. A day order means your order will be valid only for a particular day. After the market closes, if your order still remains pending, it will get cancelled by the exchange. Second is IOC, which means immediate or cancel order. It means that whenever you place an order at a particular price, if the same price is prevailing at the market that time, only then it will get executed at the on the spot, or else it will get cancelled automatically. So here if I place the order at 1273.70, which is the market rate right now, only then it will get executed because it is matching the market price. If it remains pending by chance, it will get cancelled on the spot.